Welcome to this demo. Mentza is a live learning platform for career success. Once your students or the young professionals have downloaded Mentza from the Apple Play Store, they will be taken through a short onboarding. Now, the idea of the onboarding is to understand what the goals are, how much do they know, where do they stand, so that we can customize their experience. So let's go through the onboarding. So once they've answered the questions and finished the onboarding, they will land on the homepage. Our homepage comprises of 3 tools that are built specifically for an individual's career success needs. The first is AI assessments that evaluate an individual's strengths and suggest areas for improvement. The second are live coach-led courses that support an individual's career success journey. And the third is live practice sessions with your community. Let's look at the 3 tools, starting with the AI assessment, which is pretty straightforward. All you have to do is pick a kind of assessment you want to do on the day and just get started. So now this is the interface. It's a live interview call. The minute I hit start, my interview will start immediately.
Hey, Tapasi, can you tell me a bit about yourself and why you are interested in interning at Samsung?
I want to intern with Samsung because I'm just starting my career. This is going to be my first job, and I think it's a reputed company where I will learn a lot.
All right, Tapasi, can you walk me through your qualifications and relevant experiences that make you a good fit for an internship at Samsung?
Just like this, Many, or AI, will ask you relevant questions, at the end of which you will get a detailed evaluation report, along with recommendation of courses that can help you ace interviews, get promoted, boost your confidence, and so on. The courses on Mentza range from interview preparation and communication skills to mindset development and confidence boost. These are all live interactions that are led by industry experts and trained professionals. One may sign up for as many courses as they require. Community practice comprises of sessions set up by Mentza on curated topics as well as member-initiated sessions. Here you can join and have extempore conversations with your supportive community. We also have the ability to create white-label versions for different institutions. Here, institutions can choose to customize and curate experiences as well as the content based on the requirements of their students. This is an experience that we created for IIT Delhi, where they incorporated these 5 modules into their experience. Now, within each of these modules, we still have retained the 3 tools, which is AI sessions, live courses, and practice. We're in the process of doing the same for a number of other institutions across India.